We have a 2011 5-ton Goodman air conditioner running. This is a heat pump, 13 SEER. The model number is GSC130601CB. The serial number is 1105723662. Manufactured in 2011. It's a 5-ton. It's cold and sweaty. That's the outside temperature. This got here in 2016. This used to be a used air conditioner. For being that old, they replaced an old York unit, but it got here in 2016. So basically, it's a 2016 5-ton Goodman unit. So basically, it was a used air conditioner. Right there's it's the neighbor's Ream. I think it's from 2016, and it's running. I think it's pretty quiet. Guess this Goodman is really noisy. It's matched up to a Ruud Gas furnace from 2003. And this used to be where the York is before. They cut off the York's lines and suction, and this is where it used to be. So 2011 5-ton Goodman air conditioner running. Over and out.